What is that on you, Stella? Oh. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm crying right now. That was so funny.
She'll wear herself out.
Hi, baby. What is it on you? What is it? It says Stella, your new present. I can tell you love it. Do you love it? Do you love it? Do you love it? It says your name. You're watching her. Oh, fancy rolling, Stella. She seriously is such a ham. Hey! No. No. What's on you? What's on you? You just can't reach it. Driving you nuts. What is it? It's a name tag! Yay! It says Stella! You love it! You love it! Crazy girl. Oh my god. Should we take it off of her?
No, we didn't use it.
Do you love it?